What's good, family? As always, it's General Customs. Real quick, we're working on a 2005 545R. Issue with this: change spark plugs, change coil packs, change map sensor, even change the vanos. Still misfiring. Checked out the fuse, changed the few that were bad. Still misfiring. Came over here, and if you follow the coil pack line right here, which goes all the way down there to the coil pack system, all the wiring, follow it, it goes to this box. This box right here is the control power supply module. And if you look closely, look at that. Can't really see it, but that fuse right there, the third one, is blown. That's what's causing all this bullshit.